morning, Ted. My name is Mary Elizabeth Williams. I'm here at Tameron Honda and super excited that you want to know all about the Honda Odyssey Touring. Now, I do have that exact stock number you inquired in on H2004004. Now, behind me, beautiful modern steel. You'll even get not just a pretty color, but here goes the Honda Sensing, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, even collision braking. This van is smart enough to keep you and the kiddos in the lane, on the road, won't let you divert unintentionally, nor will it let you run into anything unintentionally. You'll have 18-inch alloy aluminum wheels, very nice little design there, sleek if you will. On the inside, and before we hit the inside, notice you got sideline monitors right there to help you get that extra turn signal. Memory positioning, you will have blind spot monitoring on both sides now. If you've ever driven an Odyssey before, you probably got used to the lane watch, took that away, gave you safety on both sides. Beautiful LCD touchscreen there. You'll be able to design, even use Siri, Apple CarPlay. You can use OK Google and Android Auto. Very nice maneuverable seats back here. You even have magic seating so that you can slide it out, make it captain chairs, third row seating capability as well with air controls in the rear. Ted, there's a whole lot more, even the kick swift on the Odyssey. I cannot wait to show it to you in person. Give me a call at 205-519-1710. I'm Mary Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda, where I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.